It's Jack eating applesauce. Hi, Jack. You want to try a little bite? Just try a little bite. Just try a little bite. Ooh. Ooh. No way. Oh, just try a little bite. Just try a little bite. Look at Mommy's having some. Mmm. Jack, look at Mommy. Look at this cutie pie. Oh, Jackie. Can you say hi to everyone? You say hi to Juju and Grandpa Mac? Ooh, just try a bite. Oh, just try a bite. Oh, yum, yum, yum. Now, we'll take a video of one where he's eating ice cream, and you'll see how good it is. Jack, you want to just play with your spoon? Look at this. No? Jack, do you want to just play with the spoon? No? What if I bang the spoon on your chair? There you go. You hear a plane? Hi. Hi. Did you have enough food for now, Jack? Did you find your keys? Where are they? Are you sitting on them? Oh. Here you go. Look at those little feet go. Hi. Hi, you. Jack, can you say hi? Jack, what happens if I sneeze? Huh? Huh? Achoo! You like that? You show all your teeth when I do that, huh? Huh? Achoo! 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 I love you, Jackie. Whoa! Camera attack. I love you. What? There's lots of attacking going on. Yeah. You show those keys who are boss. Jack, where'd your applesauce go? Huh? Here's your applesauce. Jack, do you want some more? I love you. Yeah. I love you. Yeah. Okay. We'll say bye for now, Mr. Droolface. Bye. Bye.